and I'm pretty excited about the new projects also. So while our interactions may go down a little bit, but I'm pretty excited about the new projects that is coming up, and we will involve all of you. And that's exactly what I wanted to say. That you are all an integral part of Sangeet now. And hey Anil, welcome and good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I am good, and as usual, the super background. It's so nice to see this. It actually gives the musical feeling, you know. Otherwise, the way I'm sitting, it looks more like a corporate Zoom call.
No, not.
So, Anik, I was just telling everyone that, okay, Ankita is joining in. Just 1 second. Good morning, Shailaja.
Hi, Anna. Good morning.
Good morning, Shailaja ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi. Good morning. Happy Guru Purnima to all of you all today first.
Absolutely. Happy Guru Purnima to you. Hey, Ankita, good morning and welcome.
Hi, sir. Hi, ma'am. Hi, everyone.
Hi. Happy Guru Purnima to all of you.
Happy Guru Purnima to you, to Shailaja, and for being such a wonderful mentor to everyone. And I was just telling Shailaja to all of them that there couldn't have been a better day that we concluded and we met up and we kind of shared our experiences over the last 75, 80 days. 80 days has flown by and we didn't even realize that 80 days has passed. So it's a wonderful occasion. And I want to sincerely thank all of you from the bottom of my heart. Sincerely thank Shailaja for being so patient, for being so understanding, accommodating.
Thank you.
Lot of thanks goes to all of you. I'm waiting for my other co-founders, Mohan and Badri, also to join in. But anyways, we can always...
Hi, Meenakshi.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Good morning. Happy Guru Purnima.
Happy Guru Purnima to you, ma'am.
Hey, so Shailaja, I think, the way we decided yesterday, I think we can start off by, okay, Saurajit is joining in. Let's welcome Saurajit. Hitesh is joining in. Very good. Good morning, Hitesh. Hitesh, can you hear us?
I think his audio is not connected.
So Hitesh is somewhere between Jodhpur and Jaipur, traveling in the car, and yeah. So he gave me an advance warning saying that I may be in and out. I said no problems, whatever it is, you please join because it's. Hi Hitesh. Good morning, Saurajit. How are you doing both?
Good morning, sir. I'm good. How are you?
We are all good. Wish you a very happy Guru Purnima.
Yeah, wish you the same.
Happy Guru Purnima to all.
Hitesh,
happy Guru
Hitesh, your audio is muted. You will have to activate your microphone. Yeah. Yes, now we can hear you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Hitesh.
Good morning.
So, which part of Rajasthan are you in?
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning, Moha. Good morning.
Hi.
Good morning.
So, Hitesh, I was asking you which part of Rajasthan are you in? Jodhpur, Jaipur, in between, where are you?
Sir, Jaipur.
Okay. I can see that you are sitting inside the car, is it?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. So nice to see this enthusiasm that wherever I'm in, whether I'm in a car or a lorry or my house or wherever, the enthusiasm to connect and culminate this finale of the Millennial Show is so exciting. It's so pleasing. And like we decided yesterday, Shailaja will start the proceedings. She will share with all of us about her experiences, about her learnings, and her teachings. What a coincidence that we are getting to learn from the Guru herself.
My
and
God. There are students who are learning from very good gurus. Fine.
of course. But Shailaja, we have to admit that
Yeah.
I think every juncture of life, there is that teacher who comes up, you know, and that
Yes.
teacher necessarily not maybe younger to you, elder to you, it doesn't really matter. I think what matters is what you learn. And everybody plays a very important role in life. So I was just texting one of my subordinates, one of my junior colleagues, and she has taught me some of the very, very important things in life. And I told her that no matter what your age is, to me, you are a guru, because you have taught me certain things in life which I will never forget. I think as long as all of us carry that and we are willing to learn, we will grow, and that's what matters. So over to you, Guruji. Please start the proceedings of the day, and let's get on, and then we will conclude with the finale.
Yeah. First of all, I want to say thanks to Sangeet to have, let me do such a wonderful, it's been so wonderful judging so many young and talented musicians and singers like you. I would like to start. First of all, I need to thank my gurus, Chandana Bala ma'am, जिनके पास मैं मेरी कर्नाटिक की जो I started off with Carnatic, and I'm again learning from her. I'd like to thank Shri Gautam Mukherjee Da, who is Hemant Kumar ji's son-in-law and Ranu Mukherjee's husband. I like to thank him. He's been my Hindustani classical guru. And my voice culture guru, Shri Vikas Batodekar, जिनके पास मैंने गाने को किस तरह से गाना चाहिए, the mood of each and every song, be it cabaret, be it classical, be it semi-classical, be it romantic, to get to the mood of the song and to present it to the audience. And all my three gurus have just taught me one thing, that impress yourself first, only then you can impress your audience. So I have always followed that. I'm trying to follow it even now, and trying to sing each and every song as the first composition. So it's been a wonderful journey, and I thank Sangeet to have let me, get to know such wonderful singers. And you've come to this 10, so you all are winners by itself. Kyunki 4,000 participants se you all came up to 50, and 50 mein se you have come to 10, so you all are already winners. So aaj ke din I just want to say I'm very happy to have known all these 10 wonderful participants who are not only musically trained, but also are very good human beings. And you're following your roots and your passion, and your, with your, Ramya is a doctor. Anik is very lucky that he's got an opportunity to follow his passion. Anik, you need to thank your parents, because aaj ke zamane mein, let me tell you one thing. When I took music as my career, there were a lot of people who said, "Arey baap re, music karke kya hone wala hai?" This is the notion. Murliana, I'm not. It's the fact actually. Lekin your parents to be with you and you following your passion, hats off to it. Aap log, you're all doing so well in your professional career, and you have done so wonderfully well in this whole competition, that I'm so happy to have, selected gems as the 10 participants. So I'm very happy about it. What else, Murliana? And I want to start off with, I know Anik, I can't see you. Anik, are you there?
I'm here.
Yeah, your first song was, if I'm not mistaken, was Sun Zara. And
Yeah.
Sun Zara and Aoge Jab Tum Ho Sajna. And Hitesh ji ka Chand Siparish aur Wapas Aoge Tum Jab Ho Sajna tha. First isme, jo main 50 की बात कर रही हूँ.
जी.
और I don't see Ambalika here.
Ambalika is here.
Ambalika, you will have to unmute yourself and say a good morning to everyone.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Happy Guru Purnima to all of you.
My pranamas to all my seniors.
Yes. So I would just like to say that ye jo, whatever today the decision is going to be, see, it has just been a matter of few marks. That's all. Okay. So I had to be true to myself while judging each and every one. So it has just been. इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ आप सब ये जो 10 participants you're already winners. It was very difficult for me to judge because you all were so good. So but I had to be true to myself and judge all of you all this time. Yes, Mohan and Murli and anything else? Anything else that you all want to ask me today? It's your time to ask.
Correct. I think one of us has to, Hitesh, maybe you'll have to unmute yourself, mute yourself because there is some disturbance. So since you're in the car, yeah, thank you. I think Shailaja, you nailed it absolutely because for me, the top 10 is like, it's like one. It's not top 10.
Winners.
Yeah, it's not top 10. It is actually one because each of them have displayed so much variety. They have done so well. And like you and I spoke the other day, one of the celebrities with whom we shared this list.
Yes.
And when the celebrity corroborated his acceptance that the top 10 is actually top 10, it couldn't have been better because two things came out of it. One is that we have been true to it. We have actually selected the best talent, no matter what background or no matter, we are not looking for TRPs. We are not looking at, number of views. We are not looking at number of likes. Yeah, of course we are looking at that, but still, I think what we stand for as Sangeet is truthful honesty, integrity to the field of music, the devotion that we have, and to make sure that we promote the right talent. It's absolutely simple that talent and merit stands first, no matter what background you come from. So in that way, we have been very, very lucky to have been able to choose the best top 10. And for me, you are all top 1. And Shailaja has been telling me consistently that on every song. So you should see how meticulous she has been by writing notes and by actually putting out points against each of those songs. And I will not be surprised if she actually tells me that Murliana in 1.2, Prashant had this harkat. In 3.4, Anik had this harkat. It is that detailed. So that only goes to show the commitment, the devotion, the integrity towards music. And to me, I completely agree with her that all of you are winners. It's a few marks here and there. But honestly, from Team Sangeet, you're all winners already. And amongst 4,600 participants, it's definitely not a joke to be there in top 10. So
to come, no. 4,000 participants में 50 में आना और 50 के बाद 10 में आना.
Correct.
That itself is a big thing.
Absolutely.
That itself is a big thing. And I was very happy that I'm not telling the celebrity's name. Murli Anna will tell. I was so happy that he said that I have made the right choice. So I was very happy that a celebrity like him to have said that I was right in my judgment. So Murli Anna, you can tell the participants who he is.
Okay, so secret, please don't tell this to Okay, so we have reached out to the great, the legend, Hariharan ji. And it was Hariharan ji's complete tick mark to all of them. So
yes,
the beauty was that we had sent him an Excel sheet saying that this is the top 10. And against each of those names, he put his tick mark saying that yes, top 10 is agreed. So now you guys know when I told you last time, clap for yourself. So please clap for yourself.
In fact, what Murli is not saying is that we met up.
Murli.
Yes, Badri. Yes, Mohan. Please go ahead.
What Murli is not saying is that we met up one night prior, me, Murli and Badri, and I wouldn't say Murli was tense, but he was like, Hariji is asking for...
Uncle, मैं करती हूँ, मैं call में हूँ, मैं करती हूँ.
Hariji is asking for the top 10. Now, अगर उसमें ऊंच नीच हो गया, तो then it doesn't reflect well on how we have selected. And the relief and the excitement on his face when everybody was tick marked, yes, this is the right choice. So I think a huge round of applause for Shailaja as well as Murli for
Absolutely.
having
No,
lived up to
absolutely.
Guru's expectations.
Just to add to what Mohan mentioned, what we may not know is he looked at the top 50, not just top 10.
Exactly.
He looked at the top 50. So when Murli sent him the top 10, he said, "Let me look at the top 50." He looked at the top 50 and he said, "I will not look at the mail that you sent of the top 10 first. I will look at the top 50 and then come to what you guys have selected." And what Murli mentioned of the picks was after he did his listing and then he corroborated the listing with the listing that Murli and Shailaja had done. And the top 10 that you guys are exactly matched with what he selected. Yeah. So I just want you guys to know that it's not a small thing in any stretch of imagination that you have traversed the journey. It's a terrific achievement coming
from a person like Hariji is a big thing, and that we have been true to the judging.
Validating. Yeah, it's a huge deal. Okay, it's a big deal, and that basically brings me back to Shailaja and Murli. I think knowing what music is all about from an art perspective, I don't think we would have had better people than both of these to have kind of chosen the 10 of you. And Shailaja, my heartfelt thanks to you for really being absolutely detail oriented in the process, with the zero only measure to look at people and look at the salute to you. You are our guru, and it's a terrific salute to you. This whole process, which enabled us to kind of our guru. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I'm obliged. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Badri. Thank you. Yeah. Anything else?
No, I think you should go on, Shailaja.
Yeah. I want to just say कि यहाँ there has been कुछ expressions में some have won the points and some in performance, like I don't like the unplugged round where Ankita, I think you sang Lag Ja Gale, right? Lag Ja Gale.
Yes,
Ankita sang Lag Ja Gale, then Resham Talwar sang Tu Jahan Jahan Chalega, right? And Hitesh sang Aapki Nazron Ne Samjha. Yes.
Yeah,
So
these were the black and white versions. Shailaja.
Yeah. So I was just like thinking that there could have been, and Ambalika sang Kahe Chhed. So here, in all these songs, I just felt that here and there, you have missed out on your marks and nothing else. And Meenakshi, Bhare Naina, Babuji Dire Chalna, all these songs, Resham Talwar, Silsila Ye Chahat Ka, ye jo Silsila Ye Chahat Ka jo the notations, the notes, there are some notes. फासला था दूरी थी, फासला था, ये सब notes जो है they are the important notes if you've all heard the song. So, and Lag Ja Gale, again when it was an unplugged, you could have created something else. Lag Ja Gale ke phir हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से. You could have done so much. And हमको मिली है आज तारा. You've learned Rabindra Sangeet. ये आपके गले में है हरकत. but probably you were nervous or you know, you wanted to sing it plain. But that was again good. And तू जहाँ जा चलेगा, कभी मुझको याद, लता जी का ये एक नोट है which was important. कभी मुझको याद करके, then she has sung it. कभी मुझको याद करके जो बहेंगे तेरे आंसू, कभी मुझको याद करके. Expressions. काहे छेड़ में it is अगर डायलॉग अगर है भी तो वो डायलॉग सुर में है. ढाई शाम रोक ले ढाई शाम रोक ले और चकमक चूम ले सर से मोरी चुनरी गई सर से मोरी चुनरी गई. सरक. This is the whole thing. काहे छेड़ मोहे गरवा लगाए, काहे छेड़ मोहे गरवा लगाए, काहे छेड़ मोहे नंद को लाले सोठीट, नंद को लाले सोठीट, पर बस मोहे लाजनी, पर बस मोहे लाजनी, बिंदा शाम मानत नाही. This is मान, बिंदा शाम मानत नाही. You have to बिंदा शाम. If I say बिंदा शाम मानत नाही, but I'm giving an expression here. बिंदा शाम मानत नाही. कासे कहूँ मैं अपने जिया के सुनत नाही माई, काहे छेड़ मोहे. So I felt you could have done a lot. So all these things are small things that I want to tell you all, because you all are wonderful singers. Onik sang सबके गाने मैंने इसलिए लिखा है because I wanted to. मेरे महबूब कयामत होगी. Yes, किशोर दा का गाना. You are so good in your classical, Onik, and in all the Aaj Ibadat you were good. Meri Aashiki Par, you were so good, but you know, you had a wonderful voice modulation in Meri Aashiki Pasand Aaye. And Mere Mehboob, you know, में जो projection है, जो किशोर दा का जो projection है, वो, you know, you all have to work on all these small things, which is not very easy. सब ये जो इंग्लिश में जो वोवेल्स होते हैं ना, ए ई आई ओ यू, वैसे सिंगिंग में आकार, एकार, उकार, ओकार होता है ये. When you say om from your stomach, you know, there is something that vibrates in your room. That has to come when you sing. I can't sing. If I sing, for example, Zara Si Ahat, you all can, you know, you can find out what आपको अच्छा लगेगा. If I sing, I have a good throw. अगर मुझे throw दिखाने के लिए अगर मुझे गाना है, तो I will sing. जरा सी आहट होती है तो दिल सोचता है. But if I have to give expression in this, how will I sing this? But in आकार. जरा सी आहट होती है तो दिल सोचता है. So this is where I'm giving an expression. Like Ismod se ka alap, if I can very well sing it loud. This I'm singing full throat, but if I want to get expression in this alap, I will sing it. I'm using all akar, ikar and okar in this.
Right.
So, Anik, I know you all understand music. That's why I know you will understand what I'm trying to tell you. There has to be projection. There has to be an akar, ekar in what. Mere mehboob qayamat hogi. The way Kishore Da has sung. Aaj ruswa teri galiyon mein mohabbat hogi. मेरी नजरें तो गिला करती है तेरे दिल को भी सनम तुझसे शिकायत होगी. यहाँ पे he has played with modulation. Kishore Da has completely played. He's not sung it plain, right? And Prashant ji. वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी. अजनबी was good. Slow motion अंग्रेजा was good. रंजिशी was good. But थोड़े बहुत यहाँ यहाँ वहाँ वो हरकत में आप से मुझे छोड़ के जाने की लिए रंजिशी. वो जो ओपन होना चाहिए आ में, दिल ही दुखाने की here you have to open. No. से मुझे, then वो एक भरा हुआ सा आएगा वो. And वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी. No doubt it is an expressive song. वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी, ये शाम भी अजीब है, वो कल भी पास पास थी, वो आज भी करीब है. करीब का जो एक होना चाहिए ना, करीब है वो. All these small things, because I know you all are wonderful singers. आपकी नजरों ने समझा. हितेश जी, वो जो there is no, आप लता जी के गानों को गाने में there is absolutely nothing wrong, लेकिन but उनको उनकी तरीके से आप अपने उनकी तरीके से कुछ वो जो ऑलरेडी जो बैठ गया है दिमाग में, आपकी आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे, दिल की धड़कन ठहर जा, आपकी मंजिल हूँ मैं, मेरी मंजिल आप है, आपकी मंजिल हूँ मैं, मेरी मंजिल आप है. क्यों मैं तूफान से डरूं. ये ब्यूटी है इस गाने का. हर एक और ये अगर आपने गौर से सुना है तो हर एक अंतरे में उन्होंने ऐसे गाया है
जी. हर
एक अंतरे में तूफान से डरूं, ये हर एक अंतरे में उन्होंने ये फील दिया हुआ है हितेश जी। आपने अगर आप बहुत सुनकर हैं, तो इसलिए मैं चाहती हूँ ये देयर इज नो हार्म। मैं किशोर के भी गाने गाती हूँ, मैं हर एक गाने को मैं बहुत सुनती हूँ। द रीजन इज बिकॉज हर एक का जो एक एक्सप्रेशन है और फील है वो अलग है। मीनाक्षी sang भरे नैना, yeah. See now I can't sing एक गाने का एक मूड होता है. I can't expect that I sing a cabaret number in a classical way, right? उसे उसी तरीके से मुझे गाना चाहिए उस हिसाब से. I can't sing for example आवारा भंवरे जो हल्ले हल्ले गाए. I need to give that feel in that. So भरे नैना I felt you could have done even more better in that, because that song by itself, it is your, आपकी आवाज में वो एक as I told you, you have a very good bass voice, Meenakshi. You know, you have a wonderful bass voice जिसमें सुर बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, जैसे रीचा जी, ये जसविंदर जी, सुनिधि, and all these things. So you could have, you know, like it's a very expressive song. I you know, I have not even sung this song. I've heard it. I've never sung, but I can tell you. क्यों ना बोले मुझसे मोहन क्यों, हे रूठे रूठे मोहन यूं, कैसे मनाऊं, क्यों ना बोले मुझसे मोहन क्यों, हे रूठे रूठे मोहन यूं, कैसे मनाऊं, हाय कैसे मनाऊं. Again, तुझ बिन कटे न रहना. If I sing तुझ बिन कटे न रहना, लेकिन उसमें एक झोल है. तुझ बिन कटे न रहना, तुझ बिन कटे ना अब नहीं चैना, तुझ बिन जियो मैं कैसे मैं जियो, हाय. You know, this has to come. ताल तो एक ही चल रहा है. क्यों 3 4 ना बोले मुझसे मोहन. You can sing it in your own way also if you want to, you know, ताल के साथ. क्यों ना बोले मुझसे मोहन क्यों, हे रूठे रूठे मोह. No, these are all expressions. If I say तुझ बिन कटे न रहना, I can sing it that way. But एक दिया अब नहीं चैना, वो जो एक नोट है, वो एक नोट है for beautification. So all these things I just wanted to share. Saurajit sang पूछो ना कैसे, कहीं दूर जब दिन अच्छा, ये रातें ये मौसम. Again you could have done a little better. पूछो ना कैसे, again Saurajit, you played a little safe. पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रह बिताए, एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, जुग बीते मोहे नींद नाए. पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रह बिता. ये there are some I can't see Saurajit. There are some हरकत्स you know जो already बैठ गया है दिमाग में Saurajit, and we expect from singers like you, because आप लोग you're all learned music, you're all learning music, and we're all in the learning process. So कुछ गाने हैं जो I am not, मुझे अंतरा by heart नहीं है, but yes अंतरे में जो हरकत है वो सब Saurajit you could have done better, that's all. But otherwise you sang कहीं दूर very well. ये रातें ये मौसम, ये रातें ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा, all these हवा. Then slowly, you know, you open up. ऐसे, you know, it's not that Kishore Da has sung it fully open throatedly right since the starting. Or you know, there has been an expression in all in the antras, like ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में, कि हम खो गए प्यार की रागनी में, ये बाहों में I have not sung it. He's not sung it. Lone laga zindagi ka masa. But he has sung it. Lone laga zindagi ka masa. ये रात ये you know ये सब एक गाने के अंदर वर्डिंग्स के साथ एक एक्सप्रेशन है. So all these things, it's a complete learning experience, and you need to keep on learning. These are all small things, so which will improve your singing style, and you will surely understand what I'm trying to tell you. So that's all I want to tell you all. मेरे तरफ से मेरे गुरुओं से मैंने जो सीखा है, I have only tried to give those advice to all these you 10 wonderful participants. So I really thank you all for presenting such lovely songs, and I'm very happy to have known you all 10 participants. And thank you so much Murli Anna, Mohan and Badri to have मतलब ये लॉकडाउन में भी इतने अच्छे टैलेंट से मैं मिली हूँ. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you to all these 10 participants. मैं आप लोगों को आज मैं प्रणाम करना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि आप लोग सब सीखे हुए हैं, and आप सब अच्छे गुरुओं से सीखते हैं. तो keep learning and please ये passion को आप please बरकरार रखिए. That's all I want to tell you all today. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Always remember the points.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Shailaja, it can't be more overwhelming because इतने अच्छे से आपने बताया, इतने अच्छे से आपने हर गाने को.
No, I don't want to miss out on Ramya.
I'm
so sorry, Ramya. I'm so sorry. I don't want to miss out on you. Again, Ramya, you also sang Kaun Tujhe from Dhoni and Dilbar, Lag Ja Gale. Again, as I said, Lag Ja Gale could have been, more as in an unplugged version. When you're singing unplugged, you have a lot of chance to innovate. आप innovate कर सकते हो unplugged में. आप जो चीज track के साथ नहीं कर सकते. In an unplugged, no, you have your own. You can do your own innovations where you can't do it when you're singing on a track. So you can take the liberty of giving your own taste there. So that's what I felt in the unplugged session. That's all.
Ma'am,
Otherwise, you all have. Yes, Ankita.
Yeah, ma'am, actually, I think we sang it on track, the actual track, the original.
Yeah, I know
track.
it was, but it was music. I mean, unplugged version I meant was the music was not much. With
Okay.
like Lag Ja Gale and all, it was not the original music that was played. Original music,
Original
nahi.
track, ma'am.
No. I'm talking about the old.
Yeah, the old one.
Gana. Old
So yeah, I think Shailaja, I would not say confusion, but actually both the Lag Ja Gale was a black and white era song that they picked up.
Yeah.
The track that was played on Smule, I think what Shailaja wants to convey is that you could have taken the liberty to also experiment, to also try out something and get that variations. But more importantly, it's like this, that certain songs where the orchestration is very powerful, it's very metered, and you cannot do much there you should not. But where you have the scope, where there is minimal music, like if you take S.G. Burman songs, the music is very minimal. There's a lot of scope for vocal. And if you are a good singer, if you have a command on the rag, if you know that you can move beautifully within the framework of that rag, then you should try and experiment. So I think Ankita, Lag Ja Gale, okay, Shailaja, let me tell you that very secretly Ankita has been asking me ki, sir, ye Shailaja ma'am ne mere ko gali to nahi diya. Because she knows that you are a absolute pro in Lata ji's and Asha ji's songs. Not to mention the other ones, but she was so freaked out on Lag Ja Gale, saying that did I make a mistake by choosing?
No, Ankita,
definitely
you all
not.
have not. No, it's
Definitely
not a mistake.
but
it's not a mistake. I'm just trying to tell you that. See, I'm not so very big. लेकिन अगर कोई बड़े हस्ती अगर वो सुन रहे हैं इस गाने को, आप एक दिमाग में रखिए कि आप स्टार्टिंग से you cannot change the song. आपको अगर खुद का अगर कुछ डालना है ना उसमें, because you're all classically learned, आप वो end में and you have learned music, and वो end में जो मैं बोल रही हूँ, हमको मिली है आज ये जो
So
लता जी
beautiful,
ने
हाँ.
लिया है, ये जो चीज है, ये दिमाग में, और जैसे कि मैंने कहा आपकी नजरों ने समझा, ये जी, ये सब होना जरूरी है, एंड आपके
Yes.
गले से ये सब चीज निकल सकती है. हंसी रात हो ना हो, ये ब्यूटी है. ये सब चीज हो ना हो, कितना लग जा गले में, वो हो में कितने
Yes.
सारी वेरिएशंस दिया है लता जी ने. हंसी रात हो ना हो ना हो ना, कितने सारे वेरिएशंस दिया है उस हो में. तो आई जस्ट, एंड जैसे आई से तू जहाँ चलेगा मैं, आपकी नजरों ने समझा, हर एक इसमें, हर एक वो अंतरे में ही शी हैज गिवन दैट वो हरकत, इफ नॉट द होल सॉन्ग. तो जहां देना है उन्होंने वो दिया. तो वी एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम सिंगर्स लाइक यू कि वो चीज एक बार, एटलीस्ट एक बार तो एंड में गाए वो हरकत. दैट्स ऑल आई मेंट. And it's not that you could have innovated in that song, whereas Ambalika fine, Ambalika's Chandigarh mein was very nice. अजीब दास्तां है ये, चुरा लिया थोड़ा सा, you could have आशा जी का जो expression है, you could have worked on that, like like the voice modulation in Asha, the way Asha ji has sung that song, like चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम, यहाँ पे उन्होंने बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम. ओ ले लिया दिल, हाय मेरा दिल, हाय दिल कर मुझको ना बहलाना. झूमो इस गाने में, it's a sensuous song. हाय दिल कर मुझको ना बहलाना. That's how she sung it. It's not हाय दिल कर मुझको ना बहलाना. फर्क है ना. हाय दिल मुझको ना बहलाना, चुरा लिया. This is how you have to change yourself with the style of the singing.
Style of singing.
The style of singing.
Yes.
Like you sang unplugged session में, you said you were comfortable with नैनो में बदरा छाए, right? You sang नैनो में बदरा छाए unplugged session में. Again, वो जो एक नोट्स हैं, as you're classically trained, वो नोट्स हैं. प्रेम दीवानी हूँ मैं, सपनों की रानी हूँ मैं, प्रेम दीवानी हूँ मैं, सपनों की रानी हूँ मैं, पिछले जन्म से तेरी प्रेम कहानी हूँ मैं. ये ब्यूटी है उस राग का. हाँ इस जन्म में भी तू अपना बना ले, नैनों में बदरा छाए, बिजली सी चमके, हाय हाय ऐसे में भरम मोहे गरबा लगाने. वो जो एक नोट्स है, वो जो ये है, as you have learned the राग, वो राग का जो ब्यूटी है, प्रेम कहानी हूँ मैं, ये this is the beauty of the song. So all these things are small
beautiful,
things.
So beautiful. I just love this. It's so good. I actually want to listen to a cover from you of this song. Actually, it's so beautiful.
No, I thank you. That's all. I just wanted to speak about each and every participant. That's all, because it is my duty to talk about all of you all, because all of you all have done very well. That's all. Yes, over to you, Murli Anna.
Hey Sharja, so while you have covered every participant, and I think it's a very, very detailed analysis of everyone's performance. Even I want to just add a few words. Not that I'm going to say anything more than what you have said, but a couple of things is that all of you have got some very inherent strengths. To me, if you ask, the sheer melody of the voice, the silkenness of the voice of Prashant. Prashant, I think it's your strength. No, undoubtedly it's your strength, and I think you should capitalize on that. On contests, of course, you will always be asked to be versatile. So I was very pleasantly surprised when I listened to Slow Motion Angreza. That was a complete, what do you call it? Completely pleasantly surprising thing for me, because Sukhvinder, with that throw, with that style of his and your silken voice, that was a very, very nice selection, and you really showed that versatility. So brilliant job, very, very nicely done. Hitesh, what to tell you? You are raw talent, man, and somehow that rusticness in your voice is what I think appeals to me the maximum. So you pick up a Kailash Kher, you pick up people like that. That rusticness in your voice, that is what really gives edge to your songs. So that's a phenomenal God-given, thing for you. You should always work on that, Hitesh. And certain harkats, certain things. For example, Aaj Ibadat, for me, your version was amazing, amazing. So I'm really touched by that version of Aaj Ibadat. So again, Saurajit, you are, while you are personified Sonu Nigam, I have to give you that, because you get that beauty in all the songs. But yes, in this finale that you sang, all the 4 songs, maybe the choice of the rap song, what I and Shailaja again spoke about was, Apna Din Aayega, was that you picked up. Apna Time Aayega, that you picked up. Whereas slight variations could have been done, but then rap has got only so much of limitations, so you can't do much about it. But yes, your strength is also very similar to Prashant. You've got a very expressive, nice, melodious voice, and that is what you should always capitalize on, and you should work towards it. Ambalika, I don't want to sound like that, but you know what? Mohan keeps joking. Mohan travels to Kolkata a lot, and I don't travel as much, but Badri and Mohan travel to Kolkata a lot because of their business and all that. And one thing they always come back to me and say is that we wish we could have had a lazy lifestyle like Bengal. Sab aaram se karo, and kya jaldi hai, 8:30, 9 baje shuru karte hain. Bombay, it is like mad. Mumbai, you can't rest, and this city never sleeps. Whereas Bengal, everything is done. 8:30 in the night, if you want to step out, they'll say, ki bolche, I'm going home, khatam. So Ambalika, you have that inherent beauty of laziness in your voice. And trust me, I mean, Namak Iska of yours was amazing.
Yeah, in the start.
I don't think I will listen to Rekha Bharadwaj's version now. I am in love with your version of Namak Iska. Brilliantly done, brilliantly done. And that laziness in your voice is something which can be a double-edged sword. So while you want to pick up fast numbers, you will have to shed that image and come up to the fast. But otherwise, inherently, you are a lazy girl. So you can do those songs very, very well.
Thank you so much.
Meenakshi, your strength undoubtedly is the bass voice. I mean, you also pick up very smartly, but please understand that when you get into contests, they are going to check your versatility. They are going to ask you to sing very sharp numbers, high numbers, and high-pitched ones. So while you in this contest, we were more generous in asking you to pick up your choice of songs, and you very smartly picked up Nandini Shrikar. You very smartly picked up Neha Bhasin's version of Jaga Ghumaya. That was a very smart choice of doing that. But you should work on the higher octaves. You should work on the higher octaves. For example, in your live version, you sang, Tu Hi Re. And I was actually expecting that when you transition from Hariharanji's to Kavita Krishnamurthi's, you will transition. that was the impact that I thought. But you continued in the Hariji's version because somehow that comes to you very naturally, the bass voice, the bass, this thing. While that is good and you have created a niche for yourself, but you should try to move out of the comfort zone. Try and attempt more songs which has got a sharper throw, which has got a higher pitch, and try and achieve that.
Yes, sure.
Ramya, age is on your side, doctor. You are a very, very young girl, and you've got all the time in life to achieve. So please learn a lot, learn more. All that devotion and dedication to music that you have, keep it on. Work on the diction, because whatever said and done, we are all Tamilians here. The Tamil chore, we call it chore because it's that accent that we have, and our Hindi is very, very easily exposed. So that is something that we'll have to keep working on. Certain places, certain things it is very pronounced, but otherwise you've got a very nice voice, very expressive, very, very nice throw and feel. So you have age on your side, doctor. So you can definitely, while treating patients, please keep singing. Make the patients also happy and keep improving on your singing also. So that is something that you guys can do. Onik, with all that fantastic background of Tanpura guitar and all that, you are there, man. Phenomenal understanding of classical music, obviously coming from a very, very great guru and a family, undoubtedly. So you have that phenomenal advantage of classical music understanding, and it shows in all your songs. Bang Bang was a complete surprise for me. I was always wondering that if I ask him to do a rap number or a pop number or a disco number, where is that classical harkat going to come from? So, but you have done that very well. You know exactly where to keep that classical harkat and where not to. So that is what I think is the beauty that you bring in. So certain songs, if Benny Dayal is sung that way, that is the way it has to be sung, because that's a fast number. Yeah, that's a fast number, and it has to be sung that way. So you have kept it limited, not unnecessarily moving into this thing. Of course, you are one of those very, very lucky guys, Onik, and I'm feeling very envious of you because you are into music, you are teaching, you are learning, you are also spreading music. Please feel blessed, because not all of us are able to do that.
Yes.
Some of us is a software engineer, some of us is a healthcare veteran, some of us is a doctor, but you are into music. So please keep that spirit on. Please keep learning and teaching, because the more you teach, the more you learn. That's what you do. And Ankita, you will have to keep your camera on. I want to see you. You can't hide. Okay. Great. So Ankita, I've heard you on Smule even before. And one of the things that I want to tell you is that if I was to learn something from you, it would be expression. Because the way you bring expression to songs, and I think what Shailaja mentions, I think the predominant message what Shailaja was bringing today was about expression, saying that you have to know where to modulate, you have to know where to soften, you have to know where to throw, you have to know where to oscillate between the notes, you have to know where you have to smile, you have to know where you have to keep a little low. It's all about expressions, and I think, Ankita, you have a God-given talent of expression in your voice. One of my personal favorites of your entire rendition in all of this would be Azara from Azara Kareeb Se from Murder. I'm in love with that song. One is Sunidhi is my.
No, I like Khwab Dekhe also.
Khwab Dekhe also, exactly. So I and Shailaja were talking about that only. While I mentioned Azara Kareeb, she mentioned Khwab Dekhe. So expression is your strength, Ankita, and you are doing a phenomenal job. My only request to you is that because you are so much into Smule and so much into singing onto that small microphone, please also give equal amount of time to singing without a mic. Sing with your voice open.
Singing with Tanpura.
Singing with Tanpura, throwing your voice.
Which I'm going to start.
Yeah. So make sure that you.
And I've taken this from here, the millennial.
Absolutely. So my suggestion is that only that you also equally put good amount of time for practice for singing without the microphone. Open voice, open throat. Of course, you will. Then it's a challenge for you whether you can still get your expressions right. Because in that open throatedness, you will have to still get into that small variation. So that is something that you will have to work on. But otherwise, again, a big round of applause to everyone, because you guys have done a phenomenal job.
You need to
And-
clap. All of you need to clap for yourself.
Yeah. So we have thoroughly enjoyed the last 80 days, and time has flown by. I've got two small requests before we wind up and before we also announce the winners. So a lot of contestants here, Shailaja, have requested you for two things. One is they want to listen to your Bengali version of any
Oh my
song that
God.
you want to do, Bengali one. And the second thing is my personal favorite and request is that Shailaja mentioned about Dhai Sham Rokle. Now, very, very truthfully, honestly, 99% of us will fail when there's an ad-lib. Because we all think that ad-lib is something that you just speak. Dhai Sham Rokle, Rokle. It's not like that, obviously. Every word that you say has got a sur. And there is one song which Shailaja masters. She's a master in that. And every show that you can go of Shailaja, that is that farmaish which will come from start of the show till the end of the show, till she doesn't render that song. And that is Mera Naam Hai Shabnam. That is completely that. You have to sing that, Shailaja. It's my personal request. I'm sure you will not refuse your favorite student. So,
Oh no, Murli
Yeah.
Anna, please.
so with those two things, we will conclude this session. And then we will get on to the announcement of the. Okay, Mohan has raised his hand. Mohan, you have some requests.
Yeah, so before Shailaja gives us a fitting tribute on Guru Purnima Day, there's something that I wrote. I keep writing on and off some quips or whatever. So I'm so happy to see all 10 of you performing at a very, very high stage and all coming together on this beautiful day. I just wrote something for you as the finale. माँ सरस्वती और लक्ष्मी देवी का एक जगह पे निवास करना तो है मुश्किल. माँ सरस्वती और लक्ष्मी देवी का एक जगह पे निवास करना तो है मुश्किल. नोटों के बजाय किसी को सितार दोगे तो शायद जीत लोगे दिल. दुनिया में तो मिलेंगे बहुत साहूकार, चंद खुशनसीब हैं जो कहलाए कलाकार. राह कठिन है, पत्थर के बजाय पर्वत है, पर वो मंजिल है क्या जो नजर आसान है. रख हौसला और कर फतेह अपने हुनर से, देख फिर लोगों को बाहें खोले जाने जिगर से. So I wish you all the best and
Very nice,
may you
sir, very
keep
nice.
singing.
क्या बात है Mohan. Superb. Very well written. Very apt for the occasion. Moha and Badri, before we get on to that farmaish and then the announcement, I seriously want both of you also to quickly mention about your own experience, your own this thing, and then we will take the farmaish from Shailaja and then we will declare the winners. So Badri and Mohan, whatever your closing statements are, please.
So I would just want to tell all 10 of you, I mean, having come to this stage, that there is a beautiful saying in English that every teacher was once a learner. So before we embarked on this competition in the month of March, February and March, there have been many countless nights that Badri, Murli and I, along with Shailaja Into on con calls, have often wondered, कि ये होगा कैसे? What will be the medium? How are we going to judge? What is going to be the fairness and the transparency of it all? What is going to be the takeaway from this competition? How are we going to be perceived? अब देखिए, आप तो गा के चले जाएंगे. Reputation हमारा दांव पे है कि have we correctly chosen all those people? Have we given the correct inputs? There cannot be 100% correctness, but whatever we have learned. Shailaja is a guru. Murli's mom is a trained classical singer and has trained scores of singers. Badri has more than immense knowledge of music. I am a Kansen rather than a Tansen. I've heard lots of songs. I know Shailaja from 1994. Almost her first show was with me while I was comparing. So I know the kind of mehnat that she has put into the entire effort. अगर एक मकाम पर पहुंची है तो कई रातें of रियाज, कई रातें of sadhana, of having kept family aside, of prioritized music above everything. In fact, she said a very beautiful thing when she embarked on this journey. Mind you, this is 1994 and things have not changed much in 2020 of people embarking on a career in music. कितना कठिन था तब. There was no karaoke track, there was no internet. You just have your cassette and you just have your solitude to practice. and you cannot even display your talent because there was no social media. So तो कोई जानकार भी है नहीं, सिर्फ आप ही को खुश रखना है आप रियाज करके. So those are the real people who have trained thousands and thousands of hours to come to a point where they are able to reel off the education to you in a jiffy, in terms of what you should be taking care in terms of a song, in terms of a harkat, in terms of an intonation, in terms of a diction, in terms of an expression, in terms of a feeling. तो इतना सारा सरमाया जो है आपके हाथों में जो आज मिला है, I think it's a fitting tribute on a Guru Purnima day that you're getting this on a platter. And I would pay lakhs of rupees to even get to half of what I have learned today. And I hope you all have had an incredible journey with I call Murli with a degree in people. I mean, उसने BSc किया होगा या MBA किया होगा, but that degree in people is what differentiates him from the rest of the lot. He genuinely loves people, and he genuinely takes people along in his entire journey. I mean, I used to pride myself on a lot of issues, but वो घमंड थोड़ा नीचे से आ रहा है with every succeeding contest as to how Murli takes people along in his musical journey. I think there is a lot to learn from him. Badri is our process man. I mean, he goes by a dictum that if you fail to prepare, be prepared to fail. सिंपल सा एक लाइन है कि अगर आप नहीं करोगे प्रिपेयर तो उसका कहीं ना कहीं खात्मा होने वाला है. That process, right process will lead to a right product. You cannot get it right every time, but at least आप खुश हो सकते हैं कि I give it my best. Results भगवान के हाथ में. I've been hearing all of you on a very consistent basis, and I know for a fact the kind of effort that you have put in, the discipline and the determination. Keep rocking, keep singing, and spreading joy into the entire world. That's all that I have to say.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So I think it's all about all of you. I think when we started this journey off, we were discussing about how do we give platform to people from across the country. While you see a lot of Indian Idol, you see a lot of other contests which happen on television with song, dance, and drama. But we wanted this to be purely something where we give a platform to deserving talents across the country on a real, fair, consistent performance basis, and ensure that we are able to raise the standard of what we would deliver without comparing ourselves with anybody else. And I think that's what we have tried to do in a very, very fair and consistent basis. I think we all owe it to Shailaja and Murli to have kind of done the due diligence process, set a very, very high benchmark, very, very established standards to be able to ensure that the top 10, each one of you who are on the call, are someone who's sieved through multiple layers of the process that is needed to ensure you reach the top 10. And I have both Mohan and me have sat down with Murli, and we have heard in a very non-judgmental way on the songs. And Murli was very excited when I think about 8 days back, I'd gone for some work, and he called me over saying that Uparaja, let's have a deco at what the participants have sung. And I was truly blown over. And then when Mohan, me and Murli met, we heard it again, and we felt very blessed to have listened to the voices that is there in present in this call, all of you. And we truly feel that in whatever way we can, and this is not the end, this is just a beginning probably, in whatever way we can, we want to ensure that we give the top talents an opportunity in not just the contest form, but beyond the contest as well, on what could be the next step. So we are all grateful to you for the diligence, for the discipline, for the riyaz that you do, and you reach the stage. And we truly think that India has great talents, and you are all basically example of what as a country we have to offer. And our job is to basically find a way to give you that platform and find a way to take you from point A to point B to point C as you progress in your musical journey. Yeah, so that's it. And all the best. And as Shailaja pointed out, Murli pointed out, Mohan pointed out, each one of you are gems. So please do not think it is 1, 2, 3 and be done with it. It's not that way. I think all 10 of you are winners. It's a very difficult process for Shailaja to have really zeroed in and said which should be the top 3. But trust me, I think in your own right, each one of you are winners. So please don't be comparing yourself with anyone. It's your own upping your bar as you move ahead in life, and that's all that matters, because that's what will help you to kind of reach your personal aspiration of where you want to be on your musical journey. Yeah. So with that, Murli, back to you.
Hey, thanks, Badri. Thanks, Mohan. Shailaja, there is one more request which Ankita has put on the chat.
I saw.
Yeah. So let's go ahead with those 3 farmaish, and then it's time for the announcement.
Yeah, I think I already last time I sang this song, the Bangla song of I hope agar aap log sabne suna hoga.
That Bangla song was for private. You remember, it was only me, Badri, and Mohan. In fact,
there are a lot of Bangla songs. Actually, बहुत सारे बांग्ला गाने हैं जो पहले हिंदी में हो चुका है. Like प्यार दीवाना होता है, बांग्ला में भी है. Anik, if you have heard it. Ambalika, Anik, Sarojit, are you there?
Yes, yes, I've heard it.
प्यार दीवाना होता है was first sung by Asha ji in Bangla. If you have heard, being because Panchamda ki music गाने को पहले Asha ji already it used to be puja song. So I'll just sing Ab Jo Mile Hai and this Pyar Deewana Hota. I just remembered that now. Like I had sung this long back in Durga Puja, and there are a lot of songs that I sang. Like Amar Maloti Lota, which Kishore Da has sung. फिर ये जाने क्या बात है, the Bangla version of Asha ji. All these songs I had sung long back, so like I really loved singing this आज गुन 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 गूंजे आमर शिकी गुंजोरन प्राणेर सुरे प्रेरामिका प्राणेर निमंत्रण आज गुन 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 गूंजे आमर शिकी गुंजोरन प्राणेर सुरे प्रेरामिका प्राणेर निमंत्रण সেই ভ্রমরে আমার ফুলে গুনগুনে যায় আমার নিয়ে পরে খেলা কাজ করি যায় সেই ভ্রমরে আমার ফুলে গুনগুনে যায় আমার নিয়ে পরে খেলা কাজ করি যায়. That's all I know, huh? That's all I know. Wordings, I don't have the wordings. I need to take my books. I need to take the books out, to okay, जो मुझे याद है, that I'll sing, which I sang for private. It's a cabaret number of Asha ji. अब जो मिले हैं तो बाहों को बाहों में ले, from the film Karwa. So I'll sing the both, tararara. Hayri, 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 hayri. अब जो मिले हैं तो बाहों को बाहों में रहने दे साजना. सच्ची की झूठी है होठों को होठों से कहने दे साजना. ना ना अब जो मिले हैं तो बाहों को बाहों में रहने दे साजना. सच्ची की झूठी है होठों को होठों से कहने दे साजना. ना ना अब जो मिले हैं तो हायरी 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 साजना. तो वो कहना मन भावी होए तो से किछु पावे. तो वो कहना मन भावी होए तो से किछु पावे. बुझिनी तो प्रदीप हवा तेजे निभे जावे. हवा तेजे निभे जावे. हाय जीवने हाय रे तबु कोनो गान गावा तो हलो ना. अरे बाबो के बाबो ना भेबे भेबे के छुपावा तो हलो ना. ना ना जाबो के जाबो ना बेबी बेबी हाय जावा तो होलो ना अरे बाबो के पाबो ना बेबी बेबी के छुपावा तो होलो ना 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 जाबो के जाबो ना हाय रे साजना.
क्या बात. Nice.
That's all.
Amazing, man, amazing.
Okay, coming from a true blue Bengali, that is a great compliment, Sharja bhai. Okay, so मेरा नाम है Shabnam. Ankita's this thing one, and
I'll
then we
do
will
मेरा
declare
नाम
them.
है Shabnam later because वो I'll do it in the last. I'll sing नैनो में बदरा छाए.
नैनो में बदरा छाए. Okay.
I'm just taking the sur for नैनो में. नैनों में बदरा छाए बिजली सी चमके हाय ऐसे में बनाम मोहे गरवा लगाने नैनों में बदरा छाए बिजली सी चमके हाय ऐसे में बनाम मोहे गरवा लगाने नैनों में बदरा छाए मदिरा में डूबी अखियां चंचल है दोनों सखियां मदिरा में डूबी मदिरा में डूबी अखियां चंचल है दोनों सखियां जलती रहेगी तो है पलकों की प्यारी बत्तियां शर्मा के देंगी तो है मदिरा की प्यारी नैनों में बदरा छाए बिजली सी चमके हाय ऐसे में बनाम मोहे गरवा लगाने नैनों में बदरा छाए प्रेम दीवानी हूँ मैं सपनों की रानी हूँ मैं प्रेम दीवानी हूँ मैं सपनों की रानी हूँ मैं पिछले जन्म से तेरे प्रेम कहानी हूँ मैं हाय से जन्म में भी तू अपना बना दे नैनों में बदरा छाए बिजली सी चमके हाय ऐसे में बनाम मोहे गरवा लगाने नैनों में बदरा छाए आ आ आ आ Thank you.
बहुत अमेजिंग मैम, बहुत ही अच्छा।
Thank you. मैंने तो सोच रही थी ये एंड ही ना हो। So much.
Thank you.
Seriously, we are half dead.
No, thank you. Thank you so much.
Those expressions, those tiny murkhiyan, unbelievable.
That's all you have to उसे स्टार्टिंग से आपको देने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। हर एक मुर्की को स्टार्टिंग से देने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। Like लता जी ने I just sang a little वो ऐसे में बनाम मोहे, this is how लता जी has sung. लेकिन एंड में मैंने वो जो वो एक खुद की एक्सप्रेशन है ऐसे में बनाम मोहे, it's in the rag. So that's all.
हाँ नहीं, मेरे को थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, 5-10 मिनट लगेगा, ये खत्म हो जाएगा।
Okay.
लिफ्ट में जाऊंगा, खत्म हो गया तो प्रॉब्लम।
So now the finale song, it's जैसे मैंने कहा डायलॉग आशा जी ने सुर में ही बोला है इस डायलॉग को. So I'll start with it's a very high pitched song. Murli Anna, you have put me in a okay. Okay. मेरा से लोग मुझे कहते हैं शब्बू, तारा रो रो तारा तारा रो रो तारा तारा रो रो तारा रा रू या। ए पहचाना, मिले थे कभी उस रात को डरो नहीं, बात है वो रात की, पर रात राज ही रहेगा। मेरा नाम है शबनम, प्यार से लोग मुझे कहते हैं शब्बू। तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? मीना, नीना, अंजू या मंजू? मीना, नीना, अंजू, मंजू या मधु। That's how it goes.
क्या बात, क्या बात.
That's how I wanted. That's how I wanted when I wanted that kind of an expression in Kahe Chhed. It's not just अगर कविता जी would have sung it in this manner. ढाई शाम रोक ले, रोक ले, रोक ले, ढाई शाम रोक ले और चकमक चूम ले. What is the meaning of this? But it has to give, there has to be an expression when she is saying ढाई शाम रोक ले. So how would she say that in sur? It's like ढाई शाम रोक ले, रोक ले, रोक ले, ढाई शाम रोक ले और चकमक चूम ले. मक चूम ले, मक चूम ले, सर से मोरी चुनरी गई, 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 सर से मोरी चुनरी गई. सरक सरक सरक, सरक सरक सरक, सरक सरक सरक. There is वो सरक सरक में भी there is a वो एक there is a fall. I'm not saying sir, I can very well sing, मैं ऐसे भी गा सकती हूँ. सर से मोरी चुनरी गई, सरक सरक सरक, सरक सरक सरक. इसमें कोई एक्सप्रेशन ही नहीं आया ना. सर से मोरी चुनरी गई, 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 सर से मोरी चुनरी गई. सरक सरक सरक, सरक सरक सरक, सरक सरक सरक. Then काहे ऐसा शुरू होता है. That's how it has to be. And then तदकी भरी मट, I can sing तदकी भरी मटकी, तदकी भरी मटकी लई जात लही डगर सुन, आहट सुन, आहट सुन. ये ऐसे भी हो सकता है, लेकिन अगर मुझे इसमें एक्सप्रेशन लेके आना है तो how will I sing this? तदकी भरी मटकी, तदकी भरी मटकी लई जात रही डगर सुन, आहट सुन, आहट सुन, आहट सुन. जियरा गयो धड़क धड़क धड़क, धड़क धड़क धड़क, धड़क धड़क धड़क. धड़क धड़क. that is what, कर पकड़त चूड़िया सब कर की it's a ladder जैसा she has sung that. कर पक, I can sing it. कर पकड़त चूड़िया सब कर की इसमें एक्सप्रेशन कहाँ आया? बट कर पकड़त चूड़िया सब कर की कर पकड़त चूड़िया सब कर की ओ You would have given lot of things here. This is what I was just saying कि अगर किसी ने अगर dialogue बोला भी है तो it is expression से. For example now मेरी प्यारी बिंदु जो पड़ोसन में किशोरदा ने गाया है उसमें expression it is like गाने के साथ साथ बोल के साथ expression है. मेरी प्यारी बिंदु मेरे बोले भलम. He could have sung it but he has sung it with lot of expression. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sharja. Thank you so much
for
catering to all our requests.
Yeah.
Now is the finale time. So again, back to you. Sharja will announce the winners now.
Yes.
So we don't have filters and Indian Idol kind of black and white and all of that effect. Okay. So all of you, if you want to have your own expressions, please have your own expressions.
कल होना होगा थीम म्यूजिक नहीं बजेगा यहाँ.
Please, I just want to say that I wanted to be true to my judgment, and I didn't want to be unfair to anyone. There was a tie, so I have two winners, three. So I would announce the first winner is Onik and Prashant Joshi, and second is Ankita.
Wow.
Wow. It has just been a very close monitoring because I had to be true to my judgment. So these are the winners. These are the winners for this contest.
Okay, just to elaborate a little more on this one, we had originally started off saying that we will choose the top male and top female singers. But like Shailaja mentioned, and she was very clear saying that I cannot, just let go because of a few marks here and there. So it was very, very tough to choose the top male. Both
Yes.
Onik and Prashant came extremely close to each other in terms of marks. And we only felt it good that we should give both of them. So it's not top male, it's like the top two males and the top female. So
yeah,
Ankita, you can cry, you can do all that Ekta Kapoor thing. We are capturing everything on camera, so we will put all of this. Okay, so winners, you want to say something? Onik, Prashant, and Ankita. What are your?
It's really too soon to speak right now. I think
I want to say something also. Please, I had to be fair in my judgment. Hitesh, I had to be fair. You are an awesome singer. मैं आपको यहीं से प्रणाम करती हूँ. लेकिन कुछ marks, it's just been थोड़े बहुत इधर उधर marks हुए हैं. That's all. Regarding Meenakshi, regarding Ramya, Resham Talwar, Ambalika. Again, I'm saying it's just has been यहाँ वहाँ ही marks हुए हैं. So I had to be true to this whole contest because we all have been very true in this contest by getting the best singers, on board. So I had to be true, and even Murli Anna had to be true. So I every time used to, we used to discuss कि I should not be wrong in my judgment. So I had to be fair. So that's all. Otherwise, for me, you all 10 are winners. हितेश जी, मैं seriously I'm saying yes, off to all of you all.
Actually, मैं किसी को भी मिस नहीं करना चाहता हूँ यहाँ पर जो भी है. I want to remain connected with you all, चाहे कहीं पर भी हो, because you know it's all about music. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये journey, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I will always love, and I have learned many things, which that's my most important thing to focus on. जो मैं यहाँ से जो सीखा हूँ तो उसमें मेरा सबसे ज्यादा ध्यान रहेगा. और बाकी मैं सबको all the best कहना चाहता हूँ. मैं एक्चुअली स्म्यूल में थोड़ा कम ही गाता हूँ, लेकिन मैं सबको सुना हूँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैं रियली सबके साथ कनेक्टेड रहना चाहता हूँ. और खास करके मैं लॉट्स ऑफ मतलब मेरे दिल से मैं प्रणाम करना चाहता हूँ शैलजा मैम को, मुरली जी को और मोहन जी एंड बद्री जी को. I'm really happy.
Thank you, Anik. Thank you so much.
मेरे भी इमोशंस कुछ तो सिमिलर है. I want to say thanks to everyone. I mean, the first 1.5 hours till this moment was actually more important for me. जो शैलजा मैम ने जो feedback दिया है, और I mean it's been amazing. Just that session, right? It was just super awesome. सब मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि सब लोग अपना स्म्यूल आईडी शेयर करो. मैं सबको सुन नहीं पाया एक्चुअली. I couldn't find all of you guys, so ग्रुप में शेयर कर दीजिए. We'll be connected and you know we'll collaborate also. So
प्रशांत, you can be rest assured about it. अगर आप मुझे छोड़ना चाहो तो छोड़ लो, लेकिन मैं आपको नहीं छोड़ूंगा. So, I will remain connected with all of you and ensure that all of you are also connected
No,
to
even
each
I want
other.
to be connected to all of you all.
Absolutely,
All these
absolutely.
10.
We will remain connected, and I will ensure that all of you are. I will share your Smule IDs so that you can collaborate.
thank you so much.
Ankita,
Is it this girl? Are you talking to me?
yeah, I'm talking to you.
Ayyo, vaadallan cherale amma.
Okay. I didn't understand that, but I mean, I guess Anik and Prashant, they're like very used to winning, and they were like, they acted so matured while they said, "Can I react? Can I just react because I've never won anything like this. I don't even take part in contests because I know I'll never. I mean, I never thought that I'll win. Yeah, this is some Indian Idol level drama now. But really, this means so much to me. Thank you. I can't talk all mature right now.
No worries, Sankita. No worries. We understand, and so you know we.
I want to see.
appreciate-
I want to see. I
Yeah.
want to see all the others also. I want to see Ambalika also. I want to see all the others.
Yeah.
I want to see all the others.
Yeah. No, Ambalika. What Shailaja means is that quickly, if we can have a few words from you, we want.
Yeah,
we want to hear.
I really.
We want to hear from you also, Hitesh, Dr. Ramya, Saurajit. We want to hear from you also.
जी सर.
Hello. Actually, I'm really thankful to you all. Actually, Shailaja ma'am, you taught me. Actually, you taught me the basics of Nano mein Badra Chai. Actually, I did something. I know I made a mistake in the audition round when I.
It's not a mistake. It's not a mistake. You are learning. You are learning from somebody whom I worship too. ओके यू आर लर्निंग. मैं इसलिए मैं कान पकड़ के मैं उनका नाम मैं बोल रही हूँ कि आप उनसे सीख रहे हैं जिनकी मैं भी ये है. सो वो मैं आप उनके साथ आप सीखते हो एंड मैं उनको फॉलो करती हूँ. मैं मेरे गुरु को उससे भी ज्यादा मैं फॉलो करती हूँ, चंदना मैम, गौतम मुखर्जी दा. सो आई नो द वे you know their teachings are. So that's the reason, and you have it inside you. And it's not that आपके अंदर क्लासिकल का नॉलेज है, बट वो क्लासिकल के जो कुछ तीव्र मध्यम और जो कोमल सुर जो लगते हैं वो यहाँ लगता है. तो you know that is the beauty of the rag and the song. That's all I meant. It was not a mistake, Ambalika. It's not a mistake. I'll tell you just one thing, that performance तो मैं भी बहुत करती हूँ, लेकिन I sing Piya Bawri umpteen number of times. I sing so, मेरा नाम है शबनम. I sing so many songs umpteen number of time. लेकिन वो आपको सिर्फ एक टेक मिलता है ऑडियंस के सामने, राइट? वो एक टेक में जो जीता है ना, वो ही जीतता है. दिन और रात में जैसे फर्क होता है ना, वैसे हम सभी आर्टिस्ट के वॉइस में और हर चीज में फर्क होता है. तो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एज एन आर्टिस्ट. आज अगर वो एक गाना आप अच्छा गाते हो, नॉट नेसेसरी आज वो कल वो गाना आप ऐसा ही गाओगे. So understand that you are not a loser.
Yes, no,
You're
no,
not a
I'm
loser.
not a loser.
You're not a loser. It's not a mistake. It's a learning. It's not a mistake. कभी कभी निकलती है हरकत, कभी कभी प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद भी फाइनल टेक में हरकत नहीं निकलती है ऑन स्टेज. आपको वहां पे 1000 ऑडियंस के सामने आपको एक टेक ही मिलता है. वो एक टेक में आपको अपना जो भी है उसको दिखाना है. गलतियां होती है. It's not to be taken into heart. It's a learning process. That does not mean you're a bad singer. You're a very good singer. All of us make mistakes. बड़े से बड़े भी. So understand that.
Sure.
Thank you.
That's all I want to tell you. Yeah. Yeah.
Ambalika, go ahead. I think you wanted to say something more. Yeah.
No, actually, I'm not a loser. I have gained so much knowledge here. I've met so much talented people here out there. They're so friendly and so warm. And thank you so much. Thank you for everything.
Sure. Dr. Ramya, you want to say something? You have to unmute yourself. Yeah.
Sir, first of all, congratulations to all the winners. And thank you so much, Sangeet team, for this amazing journey. And thank you so much, Shailaja ma'am. And because of this contest, I've got to learn some new songs. So I'm thankful for that.
Sure. Thank you. Meenakshi, you want to say something?
Yes, I mean, again, congrats to all the winners, and the journey has been really amazing. A lot of new tips and things that we got to learn from all of you. That was a really, takeaway from this whole competition, and more than a competition, it was a learning experience, I would say. So thankful for that.
Thank you, Meenakshi. Thank you so much. Hey, Saurajit, you want to say something?
Yes, I'll like to congratulate the winners, of course, Onik, Prashant, and Ankita. Ankita is a friend, so I'm very happy for her. And as for me, I mean, nothing much changes because I had been learning and I'm still learning, and this has been this entire journey has been a very good learning experience. So, I mean, I'll continue to learn and hopefully improve in the future. So that's all.
Sure. Hitesh, it's your turn now, Hitesh.
जी सर, सबसे पहले तो मैं सारे विनर्स को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करूंगा कि वो अपनी लाइफ में और ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ें. और अगर मैं अपनी बात करूं तो मैं पहले भी सीख ही रहा था, और ये जर्नी में मैंने जो भी सीखा है वो कुछ अलग ही लेवल का था, मतलब एक्सपेक्टेशन से भी ज़्यादा. और बहुत से लोगों को सुना मैंने, मैम को जैसे सुना मैंने, लाइक वो मेरे लिए एक विनिंग मोमेंट था कि मैं ऐसे लोगों से सुन रहा हूँ, ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. और गाने से ज्यादा मैं सुनना ज्यादा पसंद करता हूँ, तो वो मतलब बहुत ही एक ऐसा खुद को होता है ना, अंदर से बहुत खुशी महसूस होती है कि भाई जब आप ऐसा सुनते हैं तो बहुत ही ब्लेस्ड महसूस कर रहा हूँ. और ठीक है, जो भी था ऑल आर डिजर्विंग, और जिन्हें भी दिया गया मैं वो अपनी लाइफ में बहुत ज्यादा आगे बढ़े, मेरी यही कामना है. और मैं चाहूंगा सब लोग टच में रहें और हम साथ में बहुत ही अच्छी अच्छी चीजें कर सकते हैं. और बस यही चीज है. आपको ऑल द बेस्ट कहूंगा.
Thank you so much, Hitesh. So
I have to say something. मुरली सर, आप बोले कि मैं लेजी हूँ, हाँ, लेकिन मैं लेजी नहीं हूँ.
Don't mistake me, please.
नहीं सर, मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि क्योंकि मैं ऑफिस के लिए निकलती हुई 8:15 में, तो a person who is getting out at 8:15, I think she can't be lazy. मैं छुट्टी के दिन बहुत ही लेजी रहती हूँ, वो इंटेंशनल रहता है, क्योंकि मैं सारा मतलब पूरा वीकेंड में मैं पूरा हफ्ते का जो टायर्डनेस है वो निकाल लेती हूँ.
वो हक बनता है
तो वो हक बनता है.
Absolutely.
Mallika,
hello.
You are not lazy. You are a rarity in Bengal.
No, that was just a joke, Ambalika, because वो जो inherent जो होता है ना, तो वो that thing is there in your voice, which is a big strength. It's a big blessing, I would say. So once again, on behalf of Team Sangeet,
Murli,
on behalf,
I think Ankita wants to say something.
Yeah, Ankita,
yeah. I actually couldn't speak some time ago, but I would like to say something, of course. You know, when I heard the rest of the contestants, that was a time when I felt that I'm already a winner if I am somewhere next to these people. I've already said the same thing in my video because I was completely mesmerized by all of your singing. You guys are rock stars, absolutely. All of the contestants I'm talking about. And then I heard Shailaja ma'am, and I got to know कि हम किसके हाथ में हैं. Okay, that is. I mean, I knew that we are in safe hands, and apart from that, I knew that we'd be judged very critically. Matlab, of course, it is a good thing. So, and we'll get to learn so much. I just knew that. And I'd like to thank all of you, Murli sir, Shailaja ma'am, and all of you guys. Believe me, because you guys are so amazing singers. All of you contestants are such amazing singers. I knew that I have to put my 110%. And I knew that. So thanks to all of you. You guys are complete rock stars, and I'll of course love to keep in touch with all of you. And of course, I already consider myself as a part of Sangeet team family. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm
Thank you, Ankita.
Thank you so much.
That can very well qualify as a Grammy speech, Ankita. It qualifies completely as a.
I'm just speaking my heart out right now.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for those very kind words. On behalf of Team Sangeet, I want to assure all of you here, all the contestants here, that we really mean when we say that we will be in touch. Me, Badri, and Mohan, and Shailaja have all decided that whenever situation becomes normal, whenever the corona situation is behind us and we are in for good times, we are going to meet physically. We will be honoring our word that we will have a stage for all of you. We will come together and sing together. That's the dream. That's the promise I want to make on behalf of the team. More importantly, I learned something very much, and I really want to thank all of you on that, because each of you has taken this as a journey of learning. While it started off as a contest, but I think towards the middle and towards the end, I think all of you have taken it as a learning, and that is something I'm really pleased about, because that is what the intention was. That all of us learn from each other, whether it's the expression of Ankita, or whether it's the real sheer talent of Hitesh, or whether it's the classical touch of Prashant and Onik, or whether it's the drawl of Ambalika, or whether it's the bass voice strength of Meenakshi. All of you bring so much variety into this entire theme. So once again, on behalf of Team Sangeet, on Guru Purnima Day, wishing all of you all the best. To the top 3 winners, our heartfelt congratulations. We will be in touch with you for a few more things that we want to do ahead. We are also putting up this entire thing on YouTube today, on Facebook today in the evening. We want to make this known to the world. So you will be seeing yourself on Facebook. So please go and see that. And once again, thank you very much. Thank you very much for all your time. Shailaja, any closing statements, and then we can bid goodbye to each other.
Before Shailaja,
Mohan.
All of you 10 singers, I know that you have a lot of respect and a lot of commitment towards the field of art and music, and I just want you to spread the word about Sangeet as to what kind of an organization this is, and how it is hell-bent on honoring the legends and the maestros in our own particular manner. We can't reach those heights, but what we can do is fall at the feet of those masters and enjoy their pearls that they've given across the years. So please spread the word about the outfit, and let's have more and more followers of true music and fair music.
Sure. Thank you. Yeah. Shailaja, we are waiting for you.
Oh, that's all. I would like to say thanks to each one of you all. Thanks to Sangeet to have made me a part of such a wonderful contest. And it was lovely to have met all you wonderful souls and participants. and looking forward to keeping in touch with all of you all and doing good music. So keep doing good music and keep learning and keep enthralling all of us and your audience. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It will be completely, unfair if on behalf of all of us at Team Sangeet and the contestants, we don't say thank you and pranams to Shailaja. She has been immense support. I can't say enough. Though she's like my younger sister, but she's an artist, and I have great respect for that. But every call, every discussion, she's always been there. She's always been so enthusiastic about this entire thing. Every time we discuss, that enthusiasm shows, and that urge to to pick up the pearls, to pick up the gems that was there. And I think that is true devotion to music, Shailaja. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And you are an integral part of Sangeet. You know that very well. And I'm giving you a small breather. I'm only giving you a small breather because we have yet another big project coming up, and you are going to be back into that. So you can take your rest for now, but please come back soon.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Shailaja.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all.
Thank you all of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay cheerful, keep singing and keep sharing good music.
Yes.
Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.